We survived the 17-hour bus ride and made it to Salta. Here we are sitting in the main square, main plaza, Plaza de Julio, just having a little water sandwich and refueling after that grueling bus ride. Welcome to Salta. This is our first full day in Salta, and we're taking a tour to Purmamarca. We just went through the town of Jujuy, and it's beautiful views, some colors that we've never seen. It's very green, lush mountains right now this time of year. National Geographic reporting live from Mountain of Seven Colors.
Here we are at the Tropic of Capricorn. It's a beautiful day here.
Where's the line?
That way.
We are now settled in for lunch at Purmamarca city. We've got live music, empanadas, great Argentinian food. Pretty close to the Bolivian border. We're 3,000 meters up. Having trouble breathing.
Oh.
Where are we, Rex?
Marco. We are near the city of Purmamarca, and we have reached a political riot picket dance. We're not quite certain as to what it's all about, but
They say approximately 2 hours. Politician is arguing with the Aboriginals. An hour and a half later, still waiting. Ricky, happy?
yay! Getting ready for our bike ride. Jared's practicing using his bike. This is our trusty guy Nacho, who is making a path for us because we don't want to get our feet wet. Spoiled bike riders.
Nacho's the man.
Prince Jared walking across the bridge that Nacho made for us. Jared!
That's it. Piggyback.
So we're like maybe an hour into this bike ride.
Our feet are soaked, but we can't tell Nacho because
He worked so hard to build us a bridge.
so we're soaked. We're not going to tell him, but we made it across the river.
To finish it off.
We did it. I don't know how, but look at us. Nice and muddy, ready for our bus ride.
Even like this.
Even like that. Look at this bike.
Oh wow.
Show it.
Popping out.
He's such a
Popped the
hardcore
wheelie.
rider.
We made it through the rainforest to end the Salta journey.